911, what's your emergency?
Yeah. No, I winked at her, or whatever it's called, on Love Match, and she winked back. So we emailed back and forth a little bit, and now we're actually meeting up. Finally got one to meet me. I'm on my way to her place right now. She is way out here. I think it'll look pretty good, too, because I got her this potted plant thing, and she's mentioning it all the time in our emails how much she loves them, so, I mean, I don't know, she might hate it. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to tell because, you know, they use those group shots. You're like, which one are you? Please be the hot one. She was. Anyway, think I'm getting close, so I should probably go. All right, bye. What the? Holy. Hello there.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Jonah.
Hi. I'm Ava.
Well, I'm not a serial killer. So anyway, I got you this.
Oh my gosh, my favorite. You didn't have to do that. Come in. I can take your coat.
Oh, thanks. Wow, this is a really nice house.
Thanks. It was actually my grandma's. My family lives in the city, so we just use it as a getaway house.
Oh, cool.
I made us a cherry pie. I thought we could have a slice and just chat a little.
Sure, that sounds good. I love cherry pie. You're a woman of many talents.
Thank you.
My grandma used to bake cherry pie, actually. That's perfect cherry pie.
Good. Better than your grandma's?
Yeah, I think so. It kind of makes me miss her. She died about 7 years ago.
This pie is so good. Grandma's got nothing on me.
Did your grandma bake?
My grandma was the type of woman that had a little dog that followed her everywhere.
I'm not really sure I know what that means.
Unless you want to know about my dad's mom, she was completely different. She collected stamps.
That's cool.
Throughout her life, she got all these male pen pals around the world, and she would spend hours each week writing to each and every guy just to get more stamps to add to her collection.
That's interesting.
They were all in love with her.
Did your grandpa know all this was going on?
He died when they were young, right after my dad was born. That's when my grandma took up this stamp hobby.
Sounds like she wanted to feel loved and feel that void. I mean, everybody wants to feel wanted.
No, I think it was more about the stamps for her. Those poor guys. She was just using them for stamps.
I used to be really into birds when I was a kid.
Birds?
Yeah, I used to love bird watching.
Really? Do you still do it?
No. But bird watching is pretty interesting, though. You just go to a spot and simply wait for a bird to fly into view. And if you see one, I mean, they're beautiful. They're so unique. And if you're really lucky and patient, one will land right near you, and that's when you can really admire them. You can't move when they're that close, though. You can't move a muscle, or else they'll fly away. And as a kid, it was really hard because I just wanted to touch one. I mean, I knew I shouldn't, but I couldn't help it. They were so captivating. So I'd always reach out and try and grab one, but of course I never caught it. Thousands and thousands of birds. I just wanted one. But there was this one time when I saw a blue jay on the ground, and it was stunning, just beautiful. And I slowly took a step forward, and it didn't fly away. So I kept pushing my luck, getting closer and closer. It was kind of enchanting how it just drew me in. And when I got close enough, I could see that it was injured. Its wing was folded over in this kind of weird way. I knew it couldn't fly, so I reached out to touch it. And just as I was like a fraction of an inch away from its body, it turned its head around and pecked me. I tried again. I wanted to touch the bird, but it became distressed. It was pecking me, trying to get away. It hurt, and I didn't know what to do. So I just ran home. So now I just kind of appreciate them from afar.
Wow, you're like really poetic. Would you like some tea?
That's a fun idea.
I know. I read it on your profile. You're going to love my tea.
Oh, God, that's good.
Don't tell me your grandma made tea also. I can't stand to be compared to her again.
No, she didn't even like tea. This is good. Thanks.
I've been told that my tea is very arousing.
Maybe they say that because they're always drinking the tea with you.
So you think I'm arousing?
I think I'm just getting to know you. I think a woman's most appealing when you've really gotten to know her. Things are beautiful at a distance, but the true beauty isn't tangible. When a woman's close to you and she shares a piece of herself with you, it's beautiful.
Let me get that. We can plant it next to the others.
Yeah.
Here.
Hand me the flower. There we go.
Why didn't you kill that bird?
What?
I would have killed it.
Why? Just to put it out of its misery?
No, that would have been merciful. I would kill it to satisfy.
Your craving is a weakness. The bird was injured, but it didn't deserve to die.
Mercy is a weakness.
No. But I can see now I should have left that bird alone.
What's your emergency? Hello?